2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, fog lights, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, bed liner, heated steering wheel, security system, rear window defroster, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.